Whakalo whatu mākou. Today, special day, Father's Day. Aho Matua Taane. Mom's put on a big breakfast. Let's see. Whakalo whatu. Oh, Dad's Father's Day.
Awesome.
Look, someone just bought the heavy envelope. Heavy.
Something to playground today or whatever.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
Oh, nice.
Jeez, smoked fish.
Here, Dad.
Is that Niue taro?
And some
Yep.
Niue taro for breakfast.
Beautiful. Tasty.
For Father's Day?
Baby, home.
No, I'm the father.
Yeah.
She's the speaker.
Oh yeah, hako.
Baby, come on. Say happy.
Come, Lani, come say
Go to your mum. Go to your mum.
Hey! Kiss!
Happy Papa Day.
Okay.
Say Happy Papa Day, Steven.
With some...
Happy Papa's Day, Steven.
Vai kupu.
E whakawela ke aho nei kua whiwea e tautoro ma John mo Steph, Lani, Mali me tau whanau fuaki ne noho he kaina ora ma Stevenson, Achilles ai whakawe kua hoku mai ke taha Father's Day koe whakatohi nei ne mai e Ulma ai tahe sau rimu fu tahan ne whakatohi ne moe hanoi ara mua tau
Still on its way.
ara mua tau pē ta whane toi ni ko pē rai mo ta hiku whai tap koe o whai ta hi whai manai ke vevese he whare lai koe o ana kai moruina whakawe rahi ke tau whanau wha ewa mai ke tau whahe tau push o mai ta whawa ta hamong o tahe tanga te pakuranga ma hau me tau wika ngā rupi are whare na whape na whaona rautou he push ai o tu mau ringa ranga taha para ngau he mahi ai rongi ika ka mai tau a haki mai tau kapsinga he whare ngau e ngā huai o whaki mauni e tau kai me tau tupe pungi pungi nei ini ma Steph Molani mo toa ko mai ke ewa Father's Day e 22 tau nei ko e tau la he tau ka hau ka tu e fitu fulu amura kini ke muruina e maroro tau sino ke hoa puatu ke tau moe tau ka hau pia leva fuki ni ke motu ko Niue ko leva te ai la ni wake ke ide do fua ni o meri e motu moe kai tau taro manungi ke motu ko Niue ai o me tau wi ka longa fuki motu ko Niue
Yeah.
whakawe rahi ke tau tupe ma Senti, mo Pita, pia ni ka Misi, mo Kus, ura ma mo Stevenson, Hayden mo Hannah, Steve mo Dan, John mo Daniel, aia, kam tu ruus, o rahi ke tau tupe ra. Tau ki haia he, no whoroa nei si o ka tau sene, mai mutoro, hi fumia ke ewa ke wharoroa, ki fia tau rot, riri umai ki kaina. Koe tau ngā hua nei mōna i ke tau matua fua kautunga mau mo mari, koe o ke waiwa ki tau whare pihia. Si riri umai ki tau kaina ki tūni si kini. Kāne ko piniu, moe tau pum, whaka mea e whare, ko ene i tau mahua i tau tangata, ko whinu ko furi tau tau ki runga. Koe o ke lari ke ara matai tau mahua i kai. Aia, whakawe rahi koa whirewe aho nei, tō hiriuri ke whirewe Với nó ba chạy của họ mấy đây grandson hát của quầy lái ra ấy tôi chụp ra là
Oh, Elijah!
thank you Elijah
You want to say
Yeah.
a message to your grandpa?
You got
muốn đi nè họ tôi chôn phổi mà chôn thì pu kia này tao mà phát tôi rồi ô phơi thì em ai mà bỏ nó tu đôi bên ha cái ô phơi kia luôn vì phải ba cái kia luôn và cái kia họ teo lại rồi như vậy và cái đó của mama phải đi bên này ấy rồi của phi đó mà cái lên đủ phá buông như vậy rồi nên cái ông nó buông cái phi từ nó phá buông như vậy rồi phải đó muốn đi nào
Hello.
Thank you.
Good.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Uncle John.
Thank you, John, for making us get in this video. I'm gonna watch it.
Thank you for Happy Father's Day.
Shut up.
I'm gonna watch this video and think of my father, and that's it.
Shut Elijah.
Elijah just sitting there like.
We saw Elijah in the other video, the previous video.
Huh?
$100 man.
No, I saw you. I saw you.
Yeah.
Say Happy Father's Day, Grandpa.
Happy Father's Day,
Niue
Grandpa.
and so we love you.
We love you. We love you.
Okay, have a great day.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
have a good day grandpa
Have a great day. And say good luck.
thank you Lani and
Happy Father's Day, Dad, for 2022.
Oh yeah. Pakalo Fatumako. Happy Father's Day. I wonder if it's open. Just going to Hansan. Just finished dinner. Thank you, Dan. That was delicious. Whakaolahi. Manongi ha ia. Now we're off back home to have dessert takeaways here, Dan. Father's Day almost dusted. Wearing my new jeans I got for Father's Day. Woo-wee. Philadelphia. What's this then?
So what were you saying about that?
Taro sticky rice.
I made this by myself.
Pakalo Fatumako back here at Netball. The bro. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, everyone. Man,
Any
hope
comments?
everyone got spoiled, eh? Nah, no comments.
How's your netball skills? We haven't had a break this year, eh? It's been...
Nah, this is, I don't know if we've just played every season this year.
Yeah.
COVID or not, we've been playing, so it's been good. Yeah. Back here again. Just ready to warm up.
Yeah, I'm back here, burned some calories. Hansan was good yesterday. So just here to get in shape. Sun was just around the corner and yeah, time to bring the six-pack back. So we'll see you at the end of the game. To Philadelphia, hopefully we win. Oh, it was good. Yeah? It was good. Not busy. We went early because it packed when we left.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just such an easy Easter, right?
2 pointers in the
Yeah.
third round.
Yeah. Yep. Pakalo Fatumako. We just destroyed that last team. It wasn't much of competition, but all good. Good cardio. Yeah, I got a sweat.
Well done, players.
Yeah, feel lucky here, coach. Everyone's on a high.
Man, what was the score, man? 46-14. Wow. think some of our players started to feel sorry for the other team. I was like, nah, bro, just keep going. You know, gotta bloody win when you're winning. You don't wanna come off.
Man, foot on the neck, eh? Foot on the neck.
Put the needle to the pedal, eh? Put the pedal to the needle. Yeah, it's a good game. So, man, what a way to start the week, eh? Just have a good sweat out. Can't complain. Not too sure how the other team's feeling, but all I can say is we've been there before. So, just yeah, it's all fun. It's all fun, man. So no injuries. It's spring in New Zealand, so it's getting a little bit warmer. That means summer's around the corner, so gotta try and get in shape. Hope everyone's well out there. Yeah, whakaoelai. Yep.
Wai kupu. Impact player.
Hey, yes, whaikupu. Whakawhai atu. That was really nice. I thought it was really nice again tonight. I thought also that it was very competitive. They were a good team, very humble team. I thought, you know, at the end I was like, oh, maybe I'll just let you pass, you know, to try and get something. Because the score was massive, eh? It was massive. And, you know, when you're thrashing a team that badly, it's nice to try and help their feelings, eh? You know, their wellness, try not to break them. But that was like a 30 point lead, eh? I was like, man, yeah. But it was really good. I think, you know, see, a lot of sweat, a lot of fitness, getting the heart rate up. It was really good. And, yeah, no, I think if you're gonna wear shoes like these are the wrong shoes to wear. I think these are not meant for netball, but I think probably get something with a wider base and thicker soles like basketball shoes for next time. But it was good though. In the end of the day, got the dub, got the win. That's what matters. Wow. And no one got injured. That's what matters. That's it. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time.
What about the supporters?
Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.
Feedback.
Good game. You guys did well. The best team in the world, especially in passing and calling out.
Well done, Hayden.
Yeah. You guys did well in shooting, getting most of the points. The win is all that matters. Yeah, being determined and collaborating. Working together. See, my supporters really help the team. Good job.
Cool.
Good cheering. Dad said, Wuma doesn't eat them.
Whakaalo whatu mako back.
Johnny boy.
Ish. Oh, almost gone.
What's that?
So,
All goods.
Dad said, take the rest, bro.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you heard that?
I think the rest is all finished anyway.
Yeah.
It's only about 2 dozen in there.
Are you down the road?
Come on, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And, right.
Okay.
See you there.
Yeah.
We'll see you this weekend then.
All right.
For lunch on Sunday.
Okay.
Oyster. You sure? I got the bag.
Oh, have you?
The my haki bear, eh?
Yeah.
So, oh, excellent. You sure?
Yeah, take the whole lot.
Fuck, oh, elahi. Yeah, alright, record. Yeah. You sure? Oh, yeah, okay, that's it then. Oh, yeah.
Take it.
The my tau kese haku. This is real. This was Christian's Father's Day gift, eh?
Hey?
Christian brought these here, eh?
Yeah.
I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. Missy.
Woo. How's Jackson?
He's actually sick right now.
Yeah, Indy. For you.
Thank you.
Here's yours, Harry. I got no 5, so you have that one.
Oh, thank
Yeah, I
you.
got no change.
Okay.
Oh. My lucky day.
take it all, bro, so I can host the bloody thing now.
Oh, yeah.
I can host the big one. When he comes tomorrow, it's all clean.
Iki hae aho nei.
What's the dishes?
Oh, yeah.
As you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can file it away now. It's all dry.
Yeah. Now I file it.
Nah, just the dishes. Yeah, try to clean these things. I try to keep the thing clean as well.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. You mai aho fiha
Bongi.
a pongi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Coming back tomorrow.
Niue.
Host it. Leave it for tomorrow. Leave it to host tomorrow.
Man, jackpot. Tota mitaki. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay.
I don't think people will pinch it, eh?
Huh?
I don't think people will pinch it. Oh, nah, better take it inside.
Just in case. Ari, come out of the way.
Sorry.
All right.
Thank you.
You're right.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah, they might, eh? Whakaalo whatu mākou. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Man, smash those oysters. They're pretty much all gone. Ate them for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Mrs. had a few, but man, they were massive. So I just had to smash them myself. All good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. To the subscribers keep on going up, so happy about that. Haia, tō whilaweia, kia monuina.